Here's the stock Squawk and Talk board in a Flash Gordon machine. Underneath it I have mounted my replacement Squawk and Talk board. It uses the same 18-pin connector as the Squawk and Talk board and the same 2-pin speakers in the same position. It has 3 volume knobs instead of 2 on this board. The new one is you can adjust the background independently. You can also adjust the sounds just like the stock board and the voices. It's got a master volume also on the mono amplifier. All the sounds are contained on the micro SD card in WAV files. It's got a 5-volt power supply on it that you can adjust to 5 volts. Should come adjusted with 5 volts already. And it's got 3 relays which you can turn on to run external lighting mods. It's got a test button you can press to send some background sounds and voices to the speaker that you can adjust the volumes with. And it's got a 5-position dip switch. The first position is merge. It's currently in the off position. This allows all the sound effects, not the voices or backgrounds, to merge together instead of stopping when each one restarts. It's currently in the off position, which is like the stock board. The next 3 are for the sound banks. There's up to 8 different sound banks you can pick from here. 8 different sound sets. I'm currently at sound set 0. The last dip switch is for the relays. You can turn those on or off. Let's turn the machine on. Now, all the relays are off right now. If I start the game up, the first relay will come on. It's relay 1 is always on when the game is playing. Let me get a ball up to the top here. This relay 3 comes on, they're kind of backwards on here, comes on when you're in the skill shot mode. When you've hit the skill shot, it stays on for 5 seconds. And then another one comes on when you go into bonus mode. Touching your button. So on my Squawk and Talk board, the background sound is always playing. It's playing at the same time the sounds and voices are playing. This is different than the stock Squawk and Talk board where the background is momentarily interrupted while the sounds are playing or the voices are playing. So this comes in really handy with the Flash Gordon when you go into the 15-second bonus rounds where the alarm background is playing. On the stock Squawk and Talk board, the background sound keeps cutting out every time you hit a bumper or something like that. On mine, it does not. So I got an example here. I've got it pretty much ready for the 15-second bonus round. We'll get into that bonus round, and you can listen to my background playing at the same time. Now, I'm not very good at this game, but let's play a little bit of the game. Coin up. And start the game.
Ember wing awaits. Ember wing awaits. Get out of here, Earthlings.